2026 is coming. Not quietly, not slowly. It's coming like a storm, and with it comes a choice. You can let it pass like every other year. You can drift through it like you did this year. Or you can make this year different. This is the year where you refuse to be ordinary. This is the year that will separate you from the rest. 2026 is the year everything changes, but only if you let it. Because life doesn't hand out opportunities. It doesn't pause for you to feel ready. It doesn't wait until you're motivated or inspired. Life keeps moving, and it will pass you by unless you decide to take control and lock in. Every year feels like a new chance, but most people treat it like a calendar flip. They make the same promises, set the same goals, and forget them by March. But 2026 doesn't have to be that way, because the power to change is not in the calendar. It's in your mind. It's in your choices. It's in your commitment to refuse to settle for yesterday's life. Think about it. Your life isn't determined by luck, timing, or perfect conditions. It's determined by choices. And this year, you can make a decision that echoes long after the last day of December. A decision that defines the rest of your life. The question isn't whether 2026 will be a good year. The question is, will you make it a good year? Because everything outside you will remain the same. The world won't slow down. Opportunities won't wait. The clock keeps ticking. If you want things to be different, you have to be different. Most people drift through life hoping for a miracle. They hope opportunity finds them. They hope the world bends in their favor. But hope is weak. Hope doesn't produce results. Hope doesn't build resilience. 2026 is the year you stop hoping for an easy life. It's the year you stop waiting for things to happen, and becomes the year you start making them happen. Because life rewards the ones who prepare, who sacrifice, who outwork everyone else. The year won't hand you your dreams. It will hand you the opportunity to earn them. This year, leave nothing to chance. Plan your days like a strategist. Protect your energy like a warrior. Invest your effort like it's the only currency that matters. Because in 2026, fortune favors the relentless. 2026 is the year you stop staying comfortable. Because comfort kills potential. Excuses steal years. If you want 2026 to be the year everything changes, you have to be willing to burn your excuses. Comfort is subtle. It whispers, it's okay to rest. It's okay to wait. And excuses are louder. They say, not now, you're not ready. But here's the truth no one else will tell you. You are the only person who can change your life. You are the only one who can outwork the person you were yesterday. You are the only one who can transform your dreams into results. And the first step is always uncomfortable. The first step is always hard, always lonely. But the first step is also the one that separates those who achieve from those who watch. In 2026, choose discomfort. Choose sacrifice. Choose growth. Because nothing extraordinary is built in comfort. Nothing lasting is achieved without struggle. The people who change everything don't wait for signs. They don't wait for motivation to show up. They don't wait for permission. They go, they grind, they move. Being relentless is a mindset. It's built in the early mornings, the late nights, the days no one is watching. It's built in showing up when it's inconvenient. It's built in refusing to quit when the world says stop. It's built in outworking everyone, while everyone else rests. Being relentless and hardworking is not about speed. It's about consistency. It's about refusing to let doubt or fear dictate your future. 2026 is the year you decide you will not stop. You will not slow down. You will not accept good enough. Because everything you want is on the other side of persistence. Most people live their lives believing in invisible limits. Limits imposed by fear. Limits imposed by past failures. But 2026 is the year you tear those limits down. Your potential is not fixed. Your past does not define your future. Your failures do not dictate your story. Limits exist only in your mind, and your mind can be trained, stretched, and transformed. Every hour you invest in learning, in training, in improving, you expand your capacity. Every sacrifice you make, every fear you face, every comfort you leave behind, pushes the boundary of what's possible. This is the year you redefine what's possible for yourself. This is the year you become someone even your past self wouldn't recognize. Transformation is not crowded. The path to greatness is not popular. There will be mornings when the world is quiet and all you hear is doubt. There will be days when no one celebrates your effort, no one applauds your progress, no one notices your struggle. And that's exactly why it works. Because the people who are willing to sacrifice now, to endure the lonely grind, to push through the moments when giving up is easy, they are the ones who dominate later. 2026 is the year you embrace the loneliness, the sacrifice, the grind, because everything else is temporary. But what you build in the silence lasts forever. Time is limited, energy is precious. In 2026, you will be tested. You will face distractions, negativity, and opposition. And the people who succeed are the ones who control their energy. They protect it. They invest it in things that matter, and they ignore what doesn't. Your focus is your weapon. Your consistency is your armor. This year, stop giving your energy away. Stop caring what people think. Stop reacting to every noise, every opinion, every temptation. When you control your energy, you control your life. And 2026 becomes a year where nothing can derail you. 2026 becomes a year where you take action, because ideas are worthless without execution. Plans are useless without action. Dreams are meaningless without effort. 2026 is the year you stop thinking and start doing. It's not enough to want more. It's not enough to visualize success. It's not enough to set goals. You must act, relentlessly, consistently, every single day. Action compounds. Small steps done consistently snowball into big results. The work you put in now shapes the life you will live later. And in 2026, you will either be a spectator or a force to be reckoned with. But this can only happen if you stay focused. Your body can be trained, your skills can be learned, your habits can be built. But if your mind is weak, if your focus is scattered, if your resolve is inconsistent, you will fail. 2026 is the year you build unshakable mental strength. The year you stop doubting yourself. The year you stop allowing fear to make decisions for you. Your mind is your battlefield. And the winners of this year will be the ones who fight it hardest. Discipline, resilience, persistence, focus. These aren't just words, they're weapons. Use them. Use them every day. And 2026 will reward you in ways you cannot imagine. 2026 is not just another year. It's a turning point, a chance, a call to action. You can drift through it like every other year. You can wait for life to happen to you, or you can make it happen for yourself. The choice is yours. Decide that 2026 is the year you outwork, outthink, and outlast everyone around you. Decide that 2026 is the year you leave excuses behind. Decide that 2026 is the year you finally become the person you were meant to be. Because the clock doesn't stop. Opportunities don't wait. Life doesn't pause. 2026 is coming, and everything is about to change, if you let it. So, will you use the new year to change yourself? Or will you watch another year pass, wondering what could have been? The answer is yours, and the time to decide is now. 2026 is your year. Make it count.